Hey everyone, today I'm going to compare LibreChat and Open WebUI to help you decide which self-hosted AI chat interface is better for you. So both platforms are free and open source and both give you a ChatGPT style interface or using AI models. However, they are made for slightly different users. So LibreChat is better for people who want to connect several AI providers in one place. It supports services like OpenAI, Anthropic, Google Gemini, OpenRouter, Azure OpenAI, and local models. You can switch between models, upload files, manage chats, and adjust advanced settings. The main downside is that setup can be more technical because it may require Docker, API keys, and extra configuration. So Open WebUI focuses more on local AI models and privacy. It works especially well with Olama and its setup is usually easier. The interface is clean, simple, and easy to use. It also includes model management, document tools, knowledge features, and basic admin controls. So for performance, Open WebUI is often smoother for local models, while LibreChat is stronger for cloud APIs and switching between different providers. Both platforms are free, but cloud AI services may still charge based on usage, and local models can avoid API costs, although they may need stronger hardware. So overall, choose Open WebUI for a simple local AI experience, and then choose LibreChat for more providers, deeper customization, and advanced workflows. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.